Registering for SAM Cengage, you can go directly to all MindTap trainings, and as soon as you click the first training, which is Computer Concepts training, instead of taking you right to the training, it'll first have you activate your Cengage account. You'll get a dialog box that appears, Cengage MindTap, and you will actually click Create New Account, and then you'll fill in your school email, and you'll be sent immediately an email in your school email. So check that. Open up the email response, and then you'll click to start here to start the Cengage access process. You'll have a mini profile to fill out. You'll create a new password and then reset your password. And then at the bottom of the next screen that appears, it will have either start the free trial, or right above it, it will be click here to key in your access code. If you key in your access code at this point, you will never have to worry about logging in again. Once you've been put in your key code, your access code, and you're all set, you can go back to all MindTap trainings, select the first one, and it'll actually start the training. Once you open the training, if you want to maximize the screen, you can. There are, up on the left-hand side, 1 of 30 tasks, and you can skim through to see what the topics are on each of the tasks, and then close out of here. When you're ready, you can click play. And the closed caption is not working, but what you can do is put the transcript on so that you can follow along. Time recording. It shows you how long each video is. You can close the transcript. When you finish the video, you will either have multiple choice or true false. And be careful, some of the multiple choice will have select all that apply, so it's not just a one multiple choice response. So go ahead and carefully choose your response. Select your responses and click Save Answer. If it was incorrect, you could choose Retry and then answer the questions again. So it keeps going until you get it right. Or you could skip it completely and go to next. So let's say you don't have time to do all 30 tasks at one particular sitting. If you only got to task 12, do not click submit, because it'll submit from that point, the 12th one, as if you didn't finish it completely. So instead, go to the very top and click the red X at the top. The red X here. Do not click submit unless you've completed all the 30 tasks. Just X out. Then later on, when you have more time or another day, when you go back into the Computer Concepts training, it'll pick up where you left off. At some point when you complete all of the 30 tasks and wanted to redo the training, you could. Thank you.